support and resistance is a trap. I'm doing a 200K FTMO giveaway right now. All you gotta do is join one of my services and you will automatically be entered. Just DM me once you do, and I'll enter you in the giveaway. What up, gang? So I'm back with another raw and unfiltered video. So I'm gonna just keep it 100 with you guys. Let's get straight into this shit. So the first thing they don't want you to know is that support and resistance is a trap. I know some of you guys are like, what? What are you talking about, bro? Just listen to me. Support and resistance is where the banks go to get liquidity. Every time you see support and resistance, it's liquidity. So what happens is the banks wait for everybody to take their position at the support and resistance with the stop loss just above, and they let it come down and make you guys think, oh yeah, this is the right way. Maybe you're waiting for a bullish engulfing, maybe you're waiting for a pattern. You're gonna get that, and it's gonna look like you're in profit for a little bit, and then another candle is just gonna come and take you out, and that's grabbing liquidity. And that's where us, the supply and demand traders, come in and we make our money because you guys got stopped out. Now I know there's gonna be some people saying, oh, I make a lot of money from support and resistance, but I bet you don't have no small stop loss. You can trade support and resistance, but you have to have a huge stop loss to account for that liquidity grab that's most likely going to happen. And of course, they got to let it slide sometimes. You know, some weeks you might be able to be a great trader with support and resistance, but 9 times out of 10, they're coming to stop you guys out and take your liquidity. Now, trust me, I used to be a support and resistance trader, and I used to always feel like, bro, why does it always come and take me out? Like, it looks like they're just coming exactly for your stop loss, and then they head into your direction. And that's exactly what's happening, bro. They're stop hunting you. They know you entered right there. You and half the world, or 90% of all the traders, entered right there too. So they take you guys out, they get their money, and then us supply and demand traders, we win while you guys lose. Remember, somebody has to win and somebody has to lose. So as soon as you guys lose, we win. I'm trying to tell you guys, supply and demand is the way to go. So the second thing that these traders don't want you to know is that their indicators don't work, bro. Any indicator that they make, Ichimoku cloud, all that shit does not work, bro. Anything's gonna work some of the time, but to be actually profitable every single month, win almost every trade every week, you're not gonna make it by using an indicator. That shit is lagging, bro. What does that mean? That means the indicator is showing you the data after it already happened. So if you just learn how to read price action, then you can tell what's happening at the exact moment, right? The indicator is going to take a little while to get the data and then tell you. I don't use any indicators, and a lot of the successful traders don't use any indicators. Like, is there any successful traders where you see they have 20 indicators on the screen? Like, no, bro. The only time they use indicators is if they're making it or they're promoting it because they're getting paid from you guys using it. The only indicator I would ever use is kill zones, and that's just showing you the time for London session and New York session. All that RSI and MACD and all that, that's all bullshit, bro. So if you're watching this right now and you have 2-3 indicators on your shit, just cut it out, bro. Trust me, just focus on the price action. Just listen to what the candles are telling you. So since we're on the subject of indicators, I'm gonna go straight to trading bots do not work. And this is gonna be number 3 for what traders do not want you to know. I see all these people coming out with trading bots, bro. That shit does not work. Let me tell you, if they had a trading bot that actually worked, why would they trade Forex? It doesn't make any sense, bro. Why would you trade it if you have a system that could trade for you when you're not at your computer? You could be on vacation across the world, not even worrying about it. If you had a bot that works, why don't you have all your money in there? Why won't you pull all your money from the bank, sell all your cars, sell your houses, get all the money you can and put it into that trading bot? If it works so good, bro, you would just double your money. You would be rich as hell. You'd be the richest man in the world because everything you make, you just put it back in there. Like, it doesn't make any sense. These trading bots do not work. I have not seen one that work, bro. If I ever promote a trading bot in the future, just know that shit works, bro, because I'm not backing nothing that's not making me money. If I can't throw all my money in there and feel confident about it, I'm not promoting that shit, bro. I don't care how much money they try to offer me. I got money. I'm good, bro. I do not need that shit. So if I ever promote some bullshit like that, then you know that shit works, because I'm not backing none of that shit, bro. I'm all for the people, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Don't try to come to me with no bag. I don't care, bro. I'm talking to a couple prop firms right now that want me to promote them on my social medias, on my YouTube and all that. But I told them, you need to give me an instant funded account, and I need to be able to trade it, see how the trading works, see how the broker works, the commissions, and I need to be able to get withdrawals. I'm not going to promote you guys until I get a couple withdrawals and I know you guys are legit. My name means everything, bro. When it comes to joining my one-on-one, I'm going to do my best to help you. When it comes to my courses, I'm gonna keep updating them until I feel like they're the best. When it comes to promoting stuff, I need to try that shit out and make sure it's legit, because I'm not gonna have no scamming shit on my name. But the number 4 thing is these traders are not giving you their actual strategy in these courses. Now you're probably like, what do you mean? Have you ever took a course and then you go watch the person trade and they're doing something way different than what they showed you on the course? And you're like, what? Why did you draw the line right there? Why did you do it like that? Why did you enter right there instead of right here where you told me to? And then you ask them and they're just like, oh, it's just years of experience. No, fuck that, bro. You take my course, you take my mentorship, I do the same shit every day, bro. Every day I wait for the same thing to happen. I enter on the same candles. I enter on everything the same, bro. I don't switch nothing up. If I'm testing something, I let the Discord know, hey, I'm testing this right now. I'm not bringing it to you guys until I know it's profitable, but everything else is the same, bro. I do the same shit every day, and that's why I'm profitable, and that's why my students are profitable. I took so many courses where I'll be studying that course day and night, hours and hours, and then I go watch him trade live, and he's doing something way different. And I'm just like, what the fuck, bro? And then I'm in their DM like, hey, bro, why did you do this? Why did you do that? Why did you do this? And they don't respond, or they give me some bullshit ass answer, and it's like, come on, bro. What they want to do is they want you to learn a little bit so you can win every now and then, but you're not profitable, so you can keep coming back to whatever they're offering. Real traders, we're gonna give you everything because that doesn't take any money from us. I give my whole strategy and everything that I do. I give it all because it doesn't take any money from me, bro. There's enough money for us all to eat. Now, the 5th thing professional traders do not want you to know is you're gonna lose a whole lot of money before you start making a little. And I always tell you guys, I bought every single course, $1,500 a course, $2,500 a course. I bought multiple challenges. I'm talking about, I probably bought like 50 challenges, bro. So I spent probably 30, 40,000 before I started making anything, bro. So you need to know, if you're barely getting into this and you're a beginner, are you ready to spend all that money to be successful? Because the hard part is finding the right people to learn from. Once you find them, then that's when you get profitable. But the where you spent the most money is trying to find that one trader that is actually legit. And I'm glad you guys are here watching me, because I'm that trader. I mean, I could be biased or whatever, but I'm not on none of this bullshit that they on. Just know you're gonna spend a whole lot of money before you make it. Even with me, you might take my stuff and it might not just click for you. So then you gotta go to another person. Like, you're gonna spend a lot of money, bro. But once it works, you make that shit back within a month, bro. Let me tell you, I maxed out all my credit cards. I make that shit in a day. That's just a little bit words of advice for you, bro. So number 6 is the higher time frame is key. And the reason why these Forex traders do not tell you this is because they want you to win every now and then. And I promise you, when you are winning those trades, it's because you were aligned with the higher time frame. Now you gotta remember, the markets either go up or down, so it's not hard to be aligned with them. But if you would just focus on the higher time frame and then enter on the lower time frame, you would win a lot more trades. But they don't tell you that because they want you to keep coming back with your problems. They know the answer to your problems. They're not giving it to you. The higher time frame is key. Listen to me, bro. If you don't listen to me now, 2 years from now, when you finally understand that I was telling the truth about this, you're gonna be mad that you wasted all that time. The higher time frame is key. You always trade with the trend. If you're not trading with the trend, you better be trading with the higher time frame supplies and demands. And the last but not least is different pairs move different with different sessions. Now let me explain that for you. So if you want to trade USD pairs, anything that has a USD inside the pair, you want to trade at New York session, because that's when you're going to get the better moves, bro. You're not going to get that consolidation. Now if you want to trade GBP pairs, you want to trade that at London session, because that's when it's going to move. So you want to make sure you're trading the correct pairs with the correct session, and you're going to see a lot better results, bro.